YouTube? This is your boy. Sorry for the echo because I'm in my garage and I wanted to show you guys my project I'm gonna be start working on for the next probably couple weeks. I'm gonna be starting on it. This is a car I'm just gonna be rebuilding from scratch, not scratch, but basically it's a wreck car. I'm rebuilding, and I'm basically just going to give you a quick walk around. Sorry that it's dark. I'm trying to get something with more lighting so I could get see more. Doing all the work. But tell me, you guys tell me what kind of mods y'all like to see me do on this. And I have another project that I'm trying to work on to get to mod out. But you guys tell me what I should do with this vehicle and mod it out. But this is your boy, Tech SRT Hemi, but we're gonna go with Tech SRT. We do have a Dodge Charger in here. That's why I call my name Tech SRT Hemi, because I like Hemi cars and SRT. But I am also do projects on cars. So I'm starting off with that. I have a tech YouTube channel, but I'm getting more into my cars. So basically I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys what are we gonna be working. All right, now this is the car that we're gonna be working with. It is a 07, what is this? A 07 Chevy Cobalt. I gotta do some little tender loving care on this thing. It's dirty. I've been out moving it around, but I'll show you. I'm gonna just go around the whole car. So we definitely gonna tint the windows. We're gonna wet sand, clean all this up, get all this together. The wheels, everything here. Sorry for the echo because I'm in the garage and it echoes a little bit. But this front and the side is good, but the opposite side ain't. So we're gonna get into that. But I have the bumper inside the car, so we're gonna get that there out of there. I'm gonna put that to the side. Gas tank, see if we got any spider webs or anything in there. But it's the LT model, so definitely I want to try to change this to get a body kit. But this is where the main damage is here. Let me see if I could get a little brightness for you. But the damage is here. I'm actually going to try to get a flashlight or some lighting so I can see. But the damage was here, so I'm going to have to get a new fender for this part. I need a new light, new radiator. You can see here, the radiator's a little bent. I have a new one for that, so we're going to get that replaced. So we're going to get an underlining, the liner for this replaced also. But I have it on a wheel dolly because of some fact that we had to wheel it in and put it here. But this car is in really good condition. It got spider webs galore in this thing. I'm actually going to detail here, probably repaint that panel there. But everything else is pretty good. Like the inside is pretty good. I'm just going to have to detail everything inside. Let me see here. I'm trying to see if I can get some lighting for you guys. But the backlight is back there. But let me see if I can click on the light so I can get more lighting. Hold on. All right. This is much better, so y'all get a lighting. I'm actually gonna put new carpet down because this is just regular carpet. Back here, spider webs. I'm gonna vacuum like all this out. It's automatic. I wanted a stick, but I might change it to a stick. So you guys let me know, should I change it to a stick? It's kind of nasty in there. I'm actually going to detail this whole vehicle because it needs clean and need detail. I'm taking this off, but I was leaving this on for now. Everything works properly. Let's see here. I have the bumper in here because I'm gonna take it off. You see this bumper got a little scraped up from the side from getting hit to the side, but it's actually still a good bumper. But that's what we're gonna do there. But you guys let me know. I had to replace the battery on this thing. I'm gonna do some work on it. But you guys let me know what y'all think about it. Oh, since I got the lighting, I can show you in here the damages. See that? Steering knuckle had to replace. This up here, the axle had to be replaced. Transmission line, radiator. See, it's a little bent. It's supposed to be straight. So, right there, the damage. I'm gonna have to lift that up. Get that all done. I'm just going to take this sticker off because it needs inspection, so I was going to get all that done. But it just needs some cleaning. Take it, get detailed. I'm going to clean the inside first. Then I'm going to take it out and get detailed once we get this part done. And I'm going to have to putty down here because you know these vehicles always rust out there. But the back tires are very good. The front tires, other side, everything is really good. It's a good running car. I'm going to take it, fix it up. I might tint the whole car around. You guys let me know. Should I tint everything on this car or just tint just the windows and the sides? Should I tint the front end, whole side, which y'all guys see? And I'm thinking about doing some stripes going down, but I'm not for sure. I might wrap this whole car. I might just wrap it. You guys let me know what color you want to see the wrap, but I might end up doing that too. So like, comment, share. Let me know your thoughts. And like I said before, sorry for the echo. I'm going to get more in-depth in videos on this. But this is what the car look like once again. And this is what I'm going to be rebuilding. It's a really good shape car. Just had a minor little hiccup that I'm going to have fixed up and everything else. So you guys let me know, comment, like, sub, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.